Welcome back, dear viewers. You know what they say about education? The more you know, the more you realize how much you don't know. And if you're a parent, you might be feeling this, especially your child is about to choose a career path in pure science. So, sit tight, grab your coffee, and let's talk about why you need to explain career options to your future scientist or mathematician. For most kids, when they think of pure science, they're thinking, okay, I like physics and chemistry. I might become the next Stephen Hawking or get a PhD and live in a lab forever. But what if they could actually make money and live outside the lab too? Yeah, that's right. Now, before you start hyperventilating, wondering how you'll explain the world of physics and biology to your child in a way that doesn't involve you fainting halfway through the conversation, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's dive into the wonderful world of pure science careers. These degrees are packed with potential. So, buckle up as we go through some of the most exciting options your child could choose. Don't forget, it's not just about the degree, it's about the opportunities it brings. Here's the breakdown. For students fascinated by the world of science and discovery, pursuing BSc degree can open doors to various dynamic career paths. Whether one is intrigued by the laws of physics, the intricacies of chemistry, or the mysteries of biology, these degrees offer opportunities in research, industry, and emerging technologies. Now, let's take a quick moment to address the elephant in the room: cost. Parents, we know that a college education isn't exactly pocket change. But here's the good news: these degrees, while varied in costs, offer a wide range of industries where your child can land a job, and the salary potential isn't bad either. With just a BSc, your child could already be earning anywhere from 4 to 10 lakh per year, and with experience or higher degrees like a master's or PhD, that number can easily shoot up. BSc in physics is ideal for those passionate about understanding the universe. Graduates can work as physicists, research scientists, or data analysts in institutions like ISRO and BARC, universities, and tech firms. This 3-year program costs between 50,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees, with entry-level salaries ranging from 4 to 6 LPA and experienced professionals earning over 10 LPA. For chemistry enthusiasts, BSc in chemistry paves the way for careers as chemists, laboratory technicians, or pharmaceutical scientists. The degree, costing around 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees, provides access to industries such as pharmaceutical giants like Cipla and Dr. Reddy's and chemical plants. Salaries start at 4 to 7 LPA, with experienced professionals earning 8 LPA or more. Those drawn to the study of living organisms can opt for BSc in biology, leading to roles as biologists, environmental consultants, or marine biologists. With career opportunities in environmental agencies, research institutes, and NGOs, the degree costs 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees, offering entry-level salaries of 4 to 8 LPA, which can grow to 12 LPA with experience. For individuals with strong analytical and problem-solving skills, BSc in mathematics is a lucrative choice. Graduates can become mathematicians, data scientists, or operations research analysts in tech giants like Google and IBM or financial firms such as Goldman Sachs. The 3-year program, costing between 50,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees, offers a starting salary of 6 to 10 LPA, with experienced professionals earning 12 plus LPA. The rapidly growing biotech sector offers exciting careers for BSc in biotechnology graduates. With opportunities in biotech firms like Biocon and Serum Institute, students can work as biotech researchers, lab technicians, or consultants. The course costs 80,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees, with entry-level salaries of 4 to 7 LPA and the potential to earn 10 plus LPA in senior roles. BSc in environmental science is perfect for those passionate about sustainability and conservation. Graduates can become environmental consultants, ecologists, or waste management experts in government agencies, NGOs, and consulting firms. The 3-year course, priced at 60,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees, offers salaries ranging from 5 to 8 LPA, with experienced professionals earning 12 plus LPA. For students interested in criminal investigation, BSc in forensic science provides an engaging career path as forensic analysts, crime scene investigators, or forensic consultants. With employment in police departments, forensic labs, and research institutes, the 3-year program, costing 70,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees, offers an entry salary of 4 to 6 LPA, which can increase to 10 plus LPA with expertise. Each of these degrees provides a solid foundation for diverse career paths, allowing students to align their passion with professional success. Whether in research, industry, or specialized fields, science graduates play a crucial role in shaping the future. Please note that the costs, career opportunities, and salary figures mentioned are approximate estimates and may vary depending on the institution, government or private, location, industry demand, and individual skill set. Tuition fees can differ significantly based on the university, while salaries may fluctuate depending on experience, job role, employer, and economic conditions. It is advisable to research specific institutions and career prospects before making any decisions. Finally, now that you're armed with the knowledge of these exciting careers, it's time to pass the torch to your child. Parents, do you see the power of your advice? It's not just about the grades. It's about the pathways. So, make sure you sit down with your kid and help them understand the broader picture. It's not just about what they're studying, but what comes next. And trust us, when they're off to college, they're going to need a roadmap. You can't leave them to figure it all out on their own. We need to be their ultimate teacher. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with every parent you know. And don't forget to forward this video to help your kids make smarter career decisions. After all, we're in this together, helping the next generation find their true calling. Let's face it, the more parents know, the better their kids' future will be. Stay wise, stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.